All right, guys. Well, we have made it down to Danny's. Let's just get the day started. We got the truck and the trailer out here because by the end of the day, we want to get that E450 on the trailer, get it out of Danny's hair, and we'll just have the engine, transmission, and the rear end here. So let's get in here and get to work. Alrighty, guys. So we are back, as you can tell, with the E450, and we got to tear it apart. So let's get some work done, and we'll get it all torn apart here. And by the end of the day, we will have the engine trans laying on the floor. We'll have the cab off, the rear out of it, and ready to go to the scrapyard. So let's get started. What in the heck is all this noise? I'm in here trying to work. What in the hell? Oh man, these two mongoloids. I can never get anything done with these guys around.
Admit it, sounds better than Bruce.
Stop it. I'm in here just trying to get some work done, and I just hear all this ruckus. Who's this guy?
Look, it didn't take any time. Huh? What? I'm new to YouTube. It'll just totally clean up. Is that a camera?
Where did this guy come from?
I don't know, man. Oh, there we go.
Oh, wow. Well, no, this has that auto shut off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Auto shut off.
Yeah, yeah, there you go. Well, I'm assuming they're trying to figure out the running issue with this thing. Yeah.
Maybe I should not stand in front of it.
I have no idea what they're doing, but I'm going to go back in here and work on the van. So you guys just have fun. Definitely check out Slow Restoration. Definitely check out Andy Diablo Formula Racing. I got work to do, guys. It's not that sharp. Oh, I mean, knivesdeal.com, guys. Great pieces. If you need them to cut a hose, you just grab it. Give me a second. And they cut right through like butter.
Penis.
For 10% off, use promo code SENDISTEVE, all one word. We'll get you entered to win that Jeep. Let's keep plugging and chugging. It's over. That's the end of the ad.
It's not over.
It's not over? Okay, knivesdeal.com, guys. For 10% off.
Roll the outro. There is no outro.
Give me this damn thing.
He does that all the time. Roll the outro. There is no outro.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. What in the Samuel L. Jackson is he doing? Danny's a silly one, that's for sure. Ow, wow. Pontiac. Wide track. All right, guys, so we got it where we need to be. Sorry I didn't do much recording, guys. It's one of them days where I just want to get it going and get it off. I don't know why this camera's right here in my face. It's really weird because I'm not used to cameras. But we're ready to get this thing pulled off. I got all the wiring and everything out of the way. Obviously, your ABS and your master cylinder, all that is going to go with the engine and everything. It's going to stay all intact, but we have everything disconnected, ready to go. The only thing I have to watch is because of the wreck, the steering column took a little bit of a hit. So I got to be careful, and glass is about to fly, so let me get out of the way here. Oh, boy. Oh, it's getting real now, boys. All right, let me set the GoPro down here, and I'm gonna have to watch up front while you guys hopefully watch in the back here. You guys stay safe back here. I think we're gonna be okay doing it this way, but you definitely broke a bunch of shit over here. What? Yeah, it broke like the EGP sensor. just bounced it and I was nowhere to be close.
This is terrible. This is just terrible. I mean, it's got to be tight around.
Right there. Yep. Up. Alright, now it's just the fiberglass hitting the top, but you're good. Hold on. I'm trusting your machine here. Door's down too. Andy's not tall enough.
I'm not tall enough. I'm having issues in me. Step stool issues.
Alright, you're clear.
You go down a little bit. There you go.
You're clear, go.
That's what a piece of junk looks like.
6-0, baby.
6 junk. Ow.
Alright, guys. So there you have it. There you have it. We have now got the cab completely off. We did break a few things, but it's not that big of a deal. I do, know I need to replace a lot of things anyway. You can see the frame now is really leaned in pretty hard. So we're not using basically anything but the engine and the transmission. And I'm kind of excited. You having fun? Yeah. Oh, you want me to drive? Yeah. Oh, okay, I got this. All right, so we got our controls. This is forward. We got this, Danny. Danny's in sheer panic. He's nervous.
Don't hit my Honda. Don't hit my truck.
Oh. All right, we got to back up just a smidge. And we need to... This? Oh, a little fast. Now I know what Jessica went through. This isn't as easy to run as like a skid loader. I just want to go real fast and just drop it. All right, now we're gonna do what Danny did before. We're gonna lower it a smidge. Oh, no, we want to go up. Oh.
I'm glad he's feeling it. Let's lock it in four-wheel drive.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Can we lock it and we're gonna crawl it?
Oh, that's not four-wheel drive. There you go.
Oh, now we're four-wheel drive. We might need a little more throttle too. Nope, just... Oh, it went. Oh. That'll buff out. Don't worry, we'll get that buffed out. We just have a Honda over here.
Yeah, keep doing that. You're real forward. Go down.
I gotta get back on the trailer here. Just make sure I don't knock out that $10 Honda over there. I don't know if forward's gonna be what we need. Oh yeah. Guys, I think I need one of these for the house. Andy, look out! Now we can go ahead and back out. Oh, look at that. Oh, would you just look at that? Now we're coming down back off of the trailer. This trailer has been abused, to say the least. Yeah. That's how you know it was built in the olden days. Atta girl. Now we got it. Yank the old window out with me. Oh, no, we gotta go up. Yep, there you go. Oh, not that far here. Hey, I could run one of these, so if anyone's hiring, if anyone is hiring for John Deere, I am in the market for a new career. And look at that, and we're off. I tried not to touch Danny's steering wheel because he gets super particular about like everything being covered in grease. That went a lot easier than we thought. So now we're just gonna go in here, nice and easy. We're gonna take it out of 4-wheel drive so we don't damage anything. I'm just kidding, we're done here, guys. I kind of knew how to run one of these to begin with. I just didn't want to tell Danny. I wanted to see him sweat.
Let's get the game plan before we start ripping.
Is that piece important?
Oh, it's class.
Oh, okay. We don't need it.
You did a great job, Steve.
Well, there you have it. My first use on a John Deere 430 with...
It's not his last use with a John.
Woo! Andy would be the gay one. All right, well, now we want to go over what he broke. No, we won't do that. But we got a little bit of a mess we got to clean up. And then we're going to rip the engine trans out and cut the frame.
It was hit hard in this corner.
No, not that hard.
It was pretty hard.
No, not that hard.
This stuff was not done by
That was done by you.
No.
Yeah, that was you.
Absolutely.
No, that was you. No, it was this right here.
But you don't need that. What do you need that
That's
for?
the EGT. That's the same sensor I need for the F450.
Oh.
So if anybody wants to know why the engine light is on in the F450, it is this exact sensor right here.
You tell me, though, why that's damaged and that did not get damaged in that.
You just did that.
I don't think so. I think it was
You
there.
just
You
did
just
that.
noticed it.
Listen, let's
No, you
agree
just
to
did that.
disagree.
It's okay. You did it. It's
It's a
fine.
Ford.
I'm not worried about it.
It's a Ford. It's always going to be broken anyway. So
We
it
have
don't
other
matter.
things to worry about. Let's not argue, ladies. All right, let's get back to work.
Yeah,
Don't worry. If it blows up, I'm getting it on film.
well, like I said, as it runs and then it warms up, it does.
You guys are really interfering with my lunch break here.
Mm-hmm. You went a little spray.
He's down here to spray.
I'd come to this side. Come to this side. Because if that twists, it's going to go down on your ankle. Come over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Unbelievable. I'm scared. I didn't think it was going to. I just said if. And I know how the internet is. So internet, I did warn him. He was willing to take it on himself. So that is what it is.
And he's in the middle as he's cutting the rest of it now.
Well, now it'll just go down.
I got a better angle now.
He should also have safety glasses on, but he's not, you know. Should have gloves, steel toe boots. There's a bunch of things he should have, but...
Rabbit.
Oh, I got your rabbit.
Oh, dang, Steve.
Might as well call me Papa Doc.
You gotta know when it's gonna go. When to get out of the way.
When it goes.
Unbelievable.
Sure that was gonna go.
I thought it was going to go a lot worse than that. Oh, we got a fire.
There we go.
I got it.
Steven?
Wherever you want. Just like through this bolt, I guess. All right, guys, I'm not going to record all of this. You obviously get the point. I'll pick it back up when it goes to fall. Oh,
All that stuff gonna do my
it don't have far to go.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the rear, just all the toes.
It's down now. I told you it didn't have far to go. Watch your toes. Huh? From here back, yeah, that's the thing. Jessica really wants my stuff out of here. You need to start tagging Fred when you do your pictures and he's in the background. Alrighty, we got the frame all cut up. Now this section I will take back home with me We are gonna use this rear, but I don't want to store it down here at Danny's. I'll bring it back down when I need to. But we have these center sections with, if I ever want to extend anything or shorten anything, we have it good sections here that are, you know, not straight, but they're straight. We can make them straight. But or if I get a skid loader, I'll be able to. I got a bunch of jerk friends. I can't do anything. We got all of the scrap in the cab here. We're ready just to junk all this. Everything else we're gonna pretty much keep. You know, obviously engine's good, trans is good. That rear frame, we're gonna keep the rear end and everything. Plus it has a full tank of fuel. We're gonna have to do that. If we don't take it now, it's gonna be sitting here for a while. So we're just gonna run this little bit of scrap down and just get rid of it for now. And then we'll load back up and get everything going. We're in on the scales at 13,640. Let's see where we are when we get off. Definitely. Yeah. Look at the sheer strength of that thing. Stay on, stay on. Oh, don't scratch my truck. Oh, just like that, we're ready to go. Alrighty, coming back on, and all we did was lose 1,000 pounds.
Yeah.
1276. Wow.
Less than 1,000 pounds.
Less than 1,000
Less than
pounds.
like 900 pounds.
God, this truck is freaking heavy.
My God.
12,780. I'm ready to go home. All right, guys. Well, we have the engine and trains out laying here. And Danny, I do thank you again for always
You're welcome. Thank you.
accommodating me well.
No problem, man. I'm here to help you, buddy.
Andy literally didn't do anything all day.
I did a lot. I videotaped.
He did a lot of filming, yeah. And not for us, but for himself.
For myself?
But
I was motivational speaking with you guys. Like, you know what I mean? In your video.
yeah, make us look good like we did a lot of work in your video. Anyway, we got it out. Thank you, Andy, for coming and starting the bolts and whatever else you did. But we also went over here and I helped him toss the trans in and diff. Danny's busy. Danny's busy. So definitely check him out on this. I don't know what all happened, but I just helped him do what he needed. So
I went to the salvage yard with you. We seen the F450.
he sat in the back of a truck for 30 seconds and got back out. Anyway, but there you guys have it. If you guys like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload.
Deuces!